Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel. Don't mind my hair, I'm gonna explain why my hair is like that. Thank you so much for visiting. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome to come, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And with no further ado, I will tell you what I'm doing today. Today I'm toning my hair with a new brand, with a new product I haven't used before. So I wanted to do that and show you it's my opinion about this product. And it's a bit scary because it's a new product I've never tried. So let's see what's gonna happen. With no further ado, let's just see. So today I'm trying XP100, the Demi-Permanent colors, and today I'm trying the shade 912, which is very light blonde ash violet. This is the shade, and I had a client yesterday and I did highlights and I used shade 10 of Demi-Permanent, and it got so well. Like, I couldn't believe how good the toner worked. I kept it on her hair only for 10 minutes and it was really nice. So today I thought I'm gonna try one shade less darker than hers because I don't want to be extremely blonde. So how you mix this? You mix one part, say if you use 30 mils, what I've done now, I've used 30 mils of that shade, and then I've used two parts, which is 60 mils of 1.86 volume, that's specially designed for the Demi-Permanent, for the toner. So altogether, so 30 mils of that, 60 mils of that, and this makes 90 mils. And then, as you always know, I use my Color Secrets, the Bond Flex straightening drops. I use, for colors, you use 1 mil per 30 mils, so I use 3 drops of that. So all together my mix ended up being 93 mils. So that's how I mix my formula, and that's how it looks like at the moment. And I'm gonna start with toners. You need to know that you have to be really quick because they get into the hair, depends how damaged your hair is, but they get into your hair so quickly. If you're wondering how I bleach my roots, I bleached it with a Schwarzkopf bleach, the Blonde Me, and I really love this bleach. So there's a lot of videos coming with their colors. I'm gonna keep trying them because I really love that brand. So this is another, and the XP100, it's a new brand I discovered, and it's really so much cheaper than the other brands. So I'm gonna keep trying. So if you want to see me trying new products, new brands, you can subscribe so you don't miss me. So let's just start with the toning. I always start with, okay, guys, first opinion, this is so smooth. It applies on the hair. If you can see, my brush is moving so like easy on the hair. Okay, this is really easy, and it makes it so much easier to apply on the hair. Okay, now I'm gonna finish and I'll show you the final, the result. Let's just jump there. So I've applied the toner and I can see it's doing a really good job. Like, I can see the purple, I can see that my bleach hair is toning down, and I think I might really love this toner, but cross fingers, let's cross fingers and hope it actually looks good as it looks now after we wash the hair. So let's just jump after the wash. Okay, this is my hair after 10 minutes, and I think I'm gonna keep it for another 5 minutes and then I'll go and rinse it. I'm back, guys, and this is what happened with the color. It looks quite nice. Like on some places I really like this part here, but where on the roots, like, I can still see a little bit of yellow, and it's not actually the toner, it's actually that my hair is naturally so dark, and for me to get, the toner to come the right toner to come good, my hair needs to be really white bleach, and I really don't want to damage my hair so much, so that's why I just do one bleach. Otherwise, originally I should be doing 2 bleaches, and then apply the toner so I can get the right tone, the right color of the toner. But altogether, I'm really happy with this toner. My hair, guys, it feels so soft, and I forgot to mention earlier that the toner, the smell of it is so lovely. It really smells really nice. It applies to the hair really easy. You can apply it on wet hair, which makes it so much faster for you. Instead of bleaching your hair, drying your hair, and then coloring and then toning your hair on dry hair, it's too long, the process. So altogether, I'm giving thumbs up to this product, and I'm sure I'm gonna use it in the future. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to smile, don't forget to say what you think, and don't forget to do what you like, because that's what life is about. Bye.